My name is Ken Washington. I have a question for you. Do you know what discrimination is? Would you be able to recognize it and identify it if you saw it? A lot of people think that they would be able to identify it, recognize it, and explain it. But most people can't. It's not enough to just think that you're discriminated against. You have to be able to articulate a legal argument to help the folks that are investigating understand that your rights under Title VII have been violated. My name is Ken Washington, and I'm an administrative representative that works to help people get the rights that they are entitled to under the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, through the Equal Employment and Opportunity Commission. Now, one of the things that we know when we look back at history is Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and so many others during the 60s, Malcolm X and many others were working to improve the civil rights and human rights for black people in this country, in the United States. And as a part of what came out of that, one of the things that came out of that was the 1964 Civil Rights Act, Title VII. And what's sad is that I think if Martin Luther King were alive today and he saw how our rights in this regard are still being violated despite the statutory protection that we have under Title VII, I think that he would be very disappointed to see how things are today, because we still have so many of our people who are still being discriminated against on the basis of race. And so one of my objectives is to educate folks on what discrimination is, how to identify it, how to articulate a case to prove that you've been discriminated against, and who do you go to, what are the resources in order to be successful and to prevail in improving your case of discrimination with the EEOC specifically. Now, I want to give you some information on who the EEOC is in the next video. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to part 2 of this video to get this. If you like this video, I want you to like it and share it. And you can also reach out to me. I'll have my contact information in the description as well. Thank you.